What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going over all the details of the giveaway that we're going to be doing. This is going to be my giveaway video now. So we've reached the 5,000 mark roughly 3 weeks ago, but I just wanted to wait a little bit until I got the shirts in. These are the new shirts that we have in. I have a local company near me making them, and so what we're doing is they're ink printing them for me. I'm going to go over the 3 shirts that I have. I got hats coming. Don't have any of the hats with me right now because they haven't got the hats in. And then I'm getting stickers made as well. I'm getting 2 types of stickers. Then I'm having 2 different shirts. There's 3 shirts here. 2 of them are the same design, just different colors. And then one's a totally different design. And if y'all follow my Instagram or anything, you may have seen that I put up the design of the shirt earlier, probably when they came in, just to kind of give everybody like a preview if you follow me on there. But I'm going to go over this, and then we're going to do the hats. They are Richardson 112 hats, and they're going to have the leather patch. It's basically the shape of this right here. That's my logo. It's that shape right there, and a leather patch, and it's going to be on the front of the hat. And that's pretty much what it is. I think I'm going to have the heather gray with the black mesh on it, and then I think I'm just going to do a straight black hat with the leather logo like that on it as well. I'm going to kind of go over what the t-shirt is, like my 2 designs that I have right here. So on the front of each t-shirt I'm going to have this gray, there's a navy right here, you can see, and then there's a black right there. But here we have the gray with the navy logo. Let me flip it over. And then on the back of the shirt we have the big logo with the torque that's tight, a slogan on there. And we have each one of these shirts are going to be in a small, medium, large, extra large, and even 2X's. But there's the gray ones. Here is the navy with the white logo on the front, and it's the same thing on the back. It's just in a white lettering with the navy shirt. And this probably looks more familiar because that is what my logo looks like on YouTube and stuff right now, because I do have the navy background with the white lettering, but this is it right here in the navy. And like I said, all of these come in small, medium, large, extra large, and 2X. And then here is the design of a different design that I did, and this has the black shirt with the white logo, and then when you flip it over, and I'm actually wearing one of these shirts right now. Here is the shirt. Back says days without a check engine light. It had 3 on it. I marked it out and put a 0 on it in red. So that's the logo on that one, and I figured this one here would be the more popular. I only have 25 of each one, and again this one is going to be small, medium, large, extra large, and 2X. But I'm going to kind of go over what the details of the giveaway is going to be here in just a second. Let me get set up, and we'll kind of set you up so you can kind of see the screen of my computer. I'm going to go over some of that stuff over there in just a second. Alright, so we're back right now, and this is kind of my home screen on my YouTube studio homepage thing. So I do want to go over my stickers. Will kind of look like this, and these are like homemade ones that me and my wife made. I wasn't too big on those that much. Something about the glue didn't really stick that great, but that's what those look like. And I do have like these little iron-on transfer things. If anybody's interested, I'll probably let those go. If anybody wants any, I'll sell them for $1 a piece. How about that? And then I'm going to go over the details of how we're going to do the video. So on the video, it's going to be on this one. I want y'all to go down and comment on the video. And what I want y'all to comment is just let me know what y'all drive. You know, like what kind of car y'all drive. And then out of that way it lets me see all the comments and stuff. And what I'm going to do is use a random number generator, and everybody, whatever comment you are, is going to, whatever random number generates, I'm going to put how many comments I have, put that in on the generator, and I'll pick that. And I'll even do a video showing me do that. I might even do a live on that. But I'm going to leave this video up for about a month, maybe a week longer, somewhere, say 4 or 5 weeks. And that way it just gives y'all time to view it, comment on that, and all that stuff. And I'm just going to use that random number generator, and it's going to pick what number it is, and whatever number the comment is, they are going to get it. And then after that, I'm going to do 3 winners. I will say that. First place will get a shirt, hat, and a sticker, and I'll even throw in one of the transfers. Second place will get a shirt or hat and a sticker, and I'll throw in a transfer. And then third place will get a sticker and one of the transfers. So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'll do 3 of them, and then if the same person, like say I hit the thing and it comes up like 33rd comment, if I do it the second time, it comes up the same one, or third time, I'll redo it and repick a different one, because the same person, I'm not going to let the same person get, 2 hats or a shirt, a hat, sticker, then another sticker and transfer and stuff like that. I'm going to pick 3 different winners. I want 3 different people to win. But that's how we're going to do this. So, like I said, in this video, just comment what you drive and let me know on that, and then I'll just go through and pick it. I'll probably do, like I said, a live. I'll at least do another video showing it, but I think I might go live and do it to let people kind of come on and watch it live, and then that way y'all can we can kind of chat a little bit if y'all would like that. But it's been roughly 3 weeks, I think, since I hit the 5,000 mark. I've gotten like 200 subscribers in the last couple of weeks, and that's kind of how that's going. I do appreciate everything that y'all have done. It helps me out a lot, and I got a few comments I have to answer, like questions and stuff, and I try to answer all of them if I can. I might miss 1 or 2 here or there, but I do try to answer every comment. Put something on it just so y'all know that I'm keeping up with everything and all that. But like I said, I do appreciate everything that y'all have done, and I'll even put a link up on my Instagram if y'all follow me on Instagram. Maybe next time I'll even, because I'm doing another giveaway around 10,000. And then once I hit the 10,000 mark, I might even include the giveaway on my Instagram if I've got enough people on there as well. That way it kind of includes more people and lets y'all double your things, and like double your chances of actually winning something. Because I want to make sure that everybody's getting a chance to win. And then whoever the winners are, I will contact them on the comment section. I'll go in and be like, you were winner number 1, you were winner number 2, you were winner number 3, whatever. And I'll probably get y'all to contact me via Instagram to give me your address and stuff, or a PO box, or wherever you want me to send it. I'll send it to if you want to donate it to a friend or something. You can give me their address and I'll send it to them. However you want to do it. You want it, you can do whatever you like with the product. That is your choice. But yeah, we'll do it that way. And then once you get it, wouldn't mind y'all letting me know that you got the stuff too. Just be like, hey, I received it. You can take a picture of it or something if you want to. But I just want to make sure that it did get to you once I do send it out. But this is pretty much how this is going to run. If y'all got any questions, comments, whatever, which I know you're going to have comments because people love to get free stuff. But let me know in the comment section too. You don't have to just put what car you drive, but if you want to say something extra, go ahead. But just want to say thank you again for everything, and y'all remember, torque this tight, and y'all have a great day.